Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we are out and about. Man,
Yep.
look how beautiful my baby is, y'all. Hey, comment beautiful in the comment section. You feel what I'm saying? Hey, but we are headed to the mall. I'm gonna take a look at these 14s, and I'm gonna also see what else is sitting because I'm just trying to figure out what's available in my malls, man. You know what I'm saying? I keep telling y'all to go out and about into your stores and see what's in there. And y'all like these mall vlogs, so as much as I can, I'm gonna try to do that. Go out into the store and see what's in there, man. Before we get off into this content, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, holler at your boy, hit that like button, hit that hype button, and hey, we're gonna see y'all in the mall. Let's go. No. All right, so we are up in JD Sports, man. As you guys can see right here, they do have the 13 still here, and then they have the neons still here as well. But walking up in here, I did see right here, I want to show you guys that they do have the peanut butter and jelly KDs that did drop today. As you guys can see right here, I'm gonna give y'all a real quick look at these as well. All right, y'all, so we had a little bit of technical difficulties with the mic, but they ain't gonna stop you. Typical KD box right here. Here's a size tag. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to legit check these. These are the KD6s. Last time we seen these was 2013, I think, and these right here are the KD6 peanut butter and jellies. My favorite pair out of all of them, because it's got their orange on it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see that right there, got the KD logo on that side. They got the peanut butter and jelly vibes, you know, that purple and orange colorway. Super clean silhouette. I feel like they dropped these at the wrong time. If they would have dropped these like a few years ago, I feel like these would have been ham. But if you was a part of that era, these would definitely be the ones that you would want, man. These things, the air unit right there in orange, the Nike Zoom Air, the bottom right there with the KD logo and the orange and purple colorway. Yeah, definitely well put together sneaker. This is a part of a time when Nike was doing their thing with the KDs, and if you had some KD 6s in the 4s and stuff like that, you were that guy. You know what I'm saying? Don't give it respect no more. A lot of them go on clearance, and I do think this is going to be a pair that will go on clearance, but they are in stores today, as you guys can see right here. Super clean colorway, very nostalgia vibes, very dope sneaker. Don't come with any other laces on these things. I love everything about this shoe, and it just takes me back to, you know, teenage years for your boy, because y'all know I'm up in age, man. But definitely dope colorway. And if I know a lot of people my age, a lot of old heads, you know, 35, 40 up is gonna be trying to cop this sneaker. But again, please wait for it to go on sale, because I'm telling y'all they're gonna be sitting in stores for y'all. Now let's take a look at these 14s. All right, y'all, just in case you're on the fence about picking these up, you know what I'm saying, gotta drop this review for you guys. This is an early look. These actually drop tomorrow. We do have another Jumpman Jordan face box, as you guys can see right here. Open up this box, you're gonna have just regular white paper, you know, quality control sticker right there. And we got the Air Jordan 14 University Blue, or the Ashy Larrys as some people call them. A lot of people are mad about the shape on these things as well, but nonetheless, here we go right here for you guys to make your decision, determine if you're gonna pick these things up. You guys can see when they talk about that ashiness, as you guys can see right there. I hope the camera's actually picking that up. It's the nubuck suede. Do look kind of dingy, but it's not too bad, bro, in my opinion. I'm gonna be honest with you. Got the 2-3 on the back. That's what everybody talking about, how ashy it looks, you know what I'm saying? Still don't feel bad, feel smooth, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, for the most part, you can kind of see that they are kind of ashy. I think that's showing you guys right there, man. So y'all let me know if this is something that y'all want to get. All right, y'all, that's a wrap, man. We ended up going into the mall. Got a lot of early looks that I'm going to be dropping, so make sure y'all got the notification bell turned on and tap into the channel. Got to see the KD peanut butter and jelly joints. Like I said, just hold off on those. I think y'all be all right. Baby girl ready to go home. She hungry. She ready to eat. So that's what we're going to do, man. But make sure y'all tap in, hit that hype button, hit that like button. I appreciate y'all. Y'all know the saying, man. Rock what you like, numbers hype. Remember everything we talk about. Just bait. Or for me to share my faith, I'm going to catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two,